I have been super low energy and down in the dumps the last few days, and you know what can solve that? Some comfort food. So let's go in the kitchen and make some lasagna soup to cheer us up. We're going to add diced yellow onion to a greased skillet with some minced garlic and some Italian seasoning. I'm also going to add some beef chorizo. For our seasonings, we're going to do black pepper, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, seasoned salt, and crushed red pepper. Then we're going to add some tomato paste and some diced tomatoes. We're also going to add some beef broth, and we're going to crumple up some lasagna noodles and add that in and let it cook for 15 minutes. While it's cooking in a bowl, we're going to add some ricotta cheese, sour cream, and some Italian blend shredded cheese. Stir that up and add all the seasonings we added to our pot earlier, and then we're going to add that to our mixture. Stir that in and let it cook for another 15 minutes, and also add some heavy whipping cream. While that's cooking, I'm going to make me a little garlic bread, get my drink ready. Now our meal is ready. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. It is absolutely delicious. I expected nothing less, and now I'm going to finish binge watching Dynasty. Gotta love a good 80s soap opera.